One of the most promising advances in cancer treatment is happening in North Texas. Scientists are quietly testing a cancer vaccine, a shot that can slow or stop growth and maybe even put a patient in complete remission. New at 10 tonight, NBC5's Deborah Ferguson has a look at the groundbreaking research.
That's the vaccine, in the vial getting warmed before injection. So precious, like liquid gold to the select few getting it.
He's basically living his normal life as if the cancer did not exist.
Bobby Nutt is 72, living with melanoma that spread to his lungs.
When they diagnosed me, they kind of give me a, you ain't got very long.
Doctors took out the tumor that threatened his life, then used the cells in it to create a personalized vaccine, a cancer-fighting shot, custom-made just for him.
So it boosts up the body's immune system so that it recognizes the cancer cells as foreign.
Gotcha.
Okay? And then the body's own immune system attacks the cancer and keeps it under control.
This approach hypothetically should work against any cancer.
Dr. John Pneumonitis is the medical director at the nonprofit Mary Crowley Cancer Research Center in Dallas. He's researched gene technology for decades, and early success convinced him the team was on the right track.
If it wasn't for that experience, seeing a durable and a complete response, I don't know if we would have taken up the ball, 20 years ago to stick with it so long as we have. And lo and behold, other patients have now been helped, and so now we have this, what we think is the optimal components of a cancer-based vaccine.
The vaccine now being tested is in its 4th generation, and the Mary Crowley Center is among the few worldwide using it.
Tell me your name.
Bobby Nutt is one of 22 patients in the center's clinical trial. He learned in November 2009 the melanoma had gone to his lungs. He asked the doctor not to tell him how long he had. He started the vaccines in March 2010 and has had 7 of 8, 1 per month, no side effects, just remarkable results. He's lived twice as long as most patients in his condition.
The phase 1 trial was open to any patient with cancer who had failed all options of therapy. So it's patients who, in all honesty, you may not expect to live more than 4 or 6 months.
And every time I walk in a doctor's office now, they look at, well, what are you doing here? What are you still here?
While the FDA-approved research therapy shows progress, the team at Mary Crowley must do more trials, more research, before the personalized vaccine is available to everyone.
Make sure the science is as good as it can be, to make sure the opportunities with the FDA is as clear as it can be, so that when a time comes when the masses do hear about it, then we'll be there with the science, we'll be there with the good patient examples.
Nutt is one of those examples, but he's quick to give credit also to faith and attitude.
This cancer deal is all between your ears, a lot of it.
What is that?
It's my hair.
What do you do with it?
I wear it. I have fun with it.
Knowing each day is a bonus. Deborah Ferguson, NBC5, Dallas.
Wow, amazing stuff. Patients do not have to pay for treatment in those clinical trials. Philanthropy covers the cost.